Welcome back, children. Welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video, we will learn about profit and loss. So, you might have heard the words profit and loss in your daily life. But do you know what is the exact meaning of profit and loss? Let us start. In our day-to-day life, we buy various things from shops, right? The shopkeepers purchase these things from the wholesalers and they sell these things, these items, these articles at different prices to us. That means at what price they are buying, they do not sell at the same price. Okay? Let us take one example. Like a shopkeeper is buying a pencil at 4 rupees. Okay? And he is selling the pencil at 5. Right? So he is having a profit. He is earning extra money. Now this is profit. Okay? So we will learn more about it. But first of all, let us understand some terms, some words which are related to profit and loss. The first one is cost price. What is cost price? The price at which an article or item is purchased is called the cost price. The abbreviation, that is the short form of cost price, is CP. So we can write cost price as CP, capital C, capital P. Okay. Now what is cost price? The price at which the shopkeeper purchased the goods, purchased the item to sell is called the cost price. So here in this example, the shopkeeper is purchasing the pencil, buying the pencil at rupees 4. So this is the cost price, CP, of the shopkeeper. Right? Now the next term is selling price. The price at which an article or the item is sold is called selling price. The abbreviation, that is the short form of selling price, is capital S, capital P, SP. So SP, selling price, is the price at which the seller, the shopkeeper, sells the good. So in our above example, the shopkeeper purchased the pencil at rupees 4. So this was the CP and he sold the pencil at 5. So this is the SP, selling price. Okay? Now let us learn what is profit. Profit. If we buy something at a less price and sell it in a high price, then we say we made a profit. So, what is profit? Let us take the same example. If suppose we buy a pencil at rupees 4, okay, 4 rupees, and we sell up the pencil at rupees 5. So, we are selling the pencil at a high price. Not at the same price, right? We are keeping 1 rupees, extra 1 rupees. We are taking extra 1 rupees and then we are selling the pencil. So this extra 1 rupee is what? Is profit. Okay? So what is profit? If we buy anything at a less price and sell it in a high price, we say we made a profit. So the difference between selling price and the cost price when SP is greater than CP is called profit. So formula for profit is SP minus CP. That means selling price minus cost price. 5 minus 4 is 1, right? So SP minus CP. Now, when we can say that we made a profit? When our selling price will be greater than the cost price. Okay? So this you have to remember. If the selling price is not greater than the cost price, then it is not a profit. Okay? Now let us see what is loss. Loss. If we buy something at a high price and sell it in a less price, we say we had a loss. So, for example, if we say, suppose I bought a pencil at 4 rupees Now nobody is willing to buy the pencil at 5 rupees. Everyone wants it at 3 rupees. So I had to sell the pencil at 3 rupees. Right? That means, am I gaining something? Am I gaining something or I am losing something? I am losing 1 rupees. I have bought the pencil at 4 rupees and now I am selling it at 3 rupees. So 1 rupees is my loss. Okay? So in this case, you can see the CP is greater than the SP. The CP is greater than the SP. Okay? So the difference between cost price and selling price when the CP is greater than SP is called loss. So what is the formula of loss? CP minus SP. So children, when CP is greater than SP, then it is a loss. But when SP is greater than CP, then it is a profit. So this is what you have to remember. Okay? I hope you have understood the terms related to profit and loss. So we will continue this topic in the next video. Thank you for watching.